Good morning. Let's try our Volcano cleansing clay stick. I'm gonna do my whole face with this because I haven't washed my face in like a day and a half, I think, and I blame me not feeling super great from that because, to be honest with you, it is what it is. But I had a headache yesterday, and I have a headache again today. So I'm just not feeling the greatest, to be honest. So, you know me, I love my Korean skincare. It's always Korean skincare for me. I don't know if you can even see that it is Korean skincare, but it is. Okay. It's so nice. Oh, I love it. Okay. Okay. We have to take the cap off. Okay. Take the cap off. I'm looking like an idiot here. Oops. Oh. Okay, it doesn't really have a smell, but I wonder if I let it dry. Volcanic mud and charcoal. Remove impurities. Refresh without dryness. It's like, do you leave it on or do you just like put it on like this? All right, I left it on for just a few minutes. Let's rinse it on off. So it doesn't have like pieces of like grit in it at all though. So just as an FYI, if you feel like it might be gritty or you're like, I don't like that, or maybe you do want that, this product does not contain that. It's more of just like a soft. It's coming out pretty easily though, which is nice. Nice and clean. My skin does feel clean and it does feel smooth. So make sure you get all of this off because it will leave your face gray. So that is, let me take off the filter so you can see what it looks like. Aside from my like a few pimples on my forehead that I've been having, it's giving the glow. So that's what it is. Okay, Dr. Leo's charcoal volcano mask clay stick. Get you one.